Hi there, this is Permutation Formula Introduction, page 2. So we talked about factorial in the last video. We just practiced finding n and r. Now we're actually going to use our formula. Okay, and your page will be much nicer than my page, but I was tired of doing the same questions all the time. So this is what you should do. N r is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. Okay, so every single question, rewrite the formula. It's going to make your life easier, and it's going to help you get the questions in the right, or the numbers in the right spot. So n is the number of things we have to choose from. So I changed my question. Yours will be pretty. It says it's a 10-horse race, so that's our 10. That is the number of objects we have to choose from. And we're going to award first, second, third, and fourth place. So that's going to be there. So we have 10 things. We're choosing 4. So that's going to be 10 factorial over n minus r. So 10 minus 4 factorial. Do not get out your calculator yet. Give me 10 factorial over 6 factorial. Now you get out the calculator. 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial. And that number seems weird. 5040. And I don't know why it's weirding me out, but you know what? I can use the fundamental counting principle. 1, 2, 3. I care about 4 horses, right? First 4. So 10 horses. 9, 8, 7. 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. Okay. I was completely right. Same answer. Doesn't matter which way you do it. Same thing happens on a test. I don't care which one you use. If you like the fundamental counting principle, you can do almost every single question in permutations using that. If you're lost, try that one. But when, for example, if we're talking about arranging 52 cards, it's going to take an awful long time to do all that multiplication. Okay. So how many 5-digit numbers can be formed by selecting digits from that? So formula first. So how many things do we have to choose from? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, yours will be pretty. You won't have those blacked out parts. And we are going to arrange 5 of them. Okay, so that's going to be 6 factorial over 6 minus 5 factorial. 6 factorial over 1 factorial. 6 minus 5 is 1. Don't really need to do that because I know that's 1. Anyway, 720. All right, you've seen it used twice. Oh, should have done this one instead of that one. Give it a shot yourself. I hope you tried it on your own. Let's see. So we got NPR. This is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. And he's going to have 8 books. And he's going to read them all. Right, P8. So when you're using all of them, it's just going to be, those 2 numbers can be the same. That's okay, is what I'm trying to say. is going to be 8 factorial over 8 minus 8 factorial. It's going to be 8 factorial over 0 factorial. And 4320. All right. For the record, you could have also just went 8. You get exactly the same number. So if you're arranging everything that's in your set, you can just use the factorial button and that's it. You don't use formula, but it worked. And you can also still go 1, 2, 3. You could also multiply 3 by that. Okay, so last one. We got 15 runners, and we're going to worry about arrange all 15 of them. So if I did, I would probably be number 15. I was in junior high, there was only one class that I got a D in. You can probably guess. Yes, it is really embarrassing and somewhat difficult to get a D in phys ed, especially when I wasn't being a jerk. I actually was trying. Anyway, 15 factorial. 15 minus 15 factorial. Oh goodness, that was a big number. I don't remember anymore. 15. $1.30 times 10 to the 12. All right. Now I added a little fun cartoon, and there was supposed to be something written here, but it appears to have disappeared. I'm going to make your life even prettier, even happier. There is. Let's just zoom in here. On my calculator, there is an NCR and an NPR button. This is going to make your life so much better. Okay, so before we do this, these questions here, and the ones on the top, they weren't particularly hard. Just punch in with the factorial and life is easy. But I can go, for example, our first question up there was 10p4. Okay, that was, oh, let me just do it this way. Here, look, 10p4. I can go 10. Now on my calculator, see how the p part is at the back. So I'm gonna have to go shift. Look, it puts little p there for me, which makes me very happy. And I hit 4, and I hit equals, and I get the answer. Look at that, done. I don't even need all these steps. These steps work if you have the $3 calculator from the dollar store. Okay, this one works too. Now I've got like yet another method. But yes, so on a test, on this question, the absolute minimum, I have to see this, because I know you can use your calculator and go there. That's it, done. Check it out. Let's try the next one. All right, we got 6p5, so 6. I had to do that shift to get the back there, and 5, and boom. 720. You probably want to explore that button on your calculator. And I'm sure you know by now you can't use your phone on the exam, so you better figure out how to do this. And I can't help you on the exam how to use your calculator. And it also, one more time, we'll work on these months. So 8p8, 8e8 equals 40,320, which, oopsies, No, can't see my calculator anymore. The light changed on me. Is exactly the same answer. Here, put it over there. There we go. Exactly the same answer. So, gotta love those buttons. End of video.